Yo, what's the deal, y'all? You mean? So you already know what's going on, man. What's up, everybody? But we back in the TO, you feel me? I was just on a little vacation and shit, try to get my mind right and all that. And we back in the TO, man. Y'all see what's going on, man. 6-speed things. So right now, I got something that's long overdue that I need to get done on this car, you feel me? Stay tuned. We definitely about to get some new content in for this joint. We got the TL meet coming up this Sunday on the 20th, October 20th at FDR. The Clubhouse boys pulling up. So, I mean, I need everybody to tap in with that. You feel me? If you on the East Coast, Midwest, West Coast, down south, up north, northeast, northwest, I need you to slide to this meet, yo. It's gonna be lit. We bring all the TLs out. You feel what I'm saying? I'm gonna get this joint nice and cleaned up. You feel what I'm saying? I'm gonna have her looking all good. Might do the suspension one more time or whatever the case may be. Might tap with the suspension again, but might just leave it where it's at. But we got some things coming, y'all. So I'm gonna tap back in with y'all once I get to the shop. All right, so we got some exhaust work done, ladies and gentlemen. I told y'all we going subtle, nothing crazy aggressive, none of that. Nice and subtle, man, nice and subtle. That's the route that I want to go with this car. Woo, sound good. I ain't gonna lie. I gotta get a fucking headset, man. I'm definitely pleased. All right, yo. So initial reaction to this shit, fucking crazy. My roads is shitty around here. I ain't want nothing extra, no loud, raspy shit, none of that, yo. This joint sound like good, yo. Nice, deep, crisp tone, like nothing too crazy, like. I love it, yo. A little drone in it. Feels good. I love this shit. Damn. But I'm about to hit this jump for y'all. Finally got some exhaust work done on this jump, man. Well, I see how this shit sound forever. Yo, this shit. It's just fire, yo. Yo, this shit is so fire. It's crazy because for the TL meet, I was gonna pull up in the V-ski. Now I'm pulling up in the TL. Yo, this joke sound crazy, bro. I'm so hyped. I'm so hyped, so hyped. This shit sound good. Oh, almost stalled out. A little too excited. This joint is insane, yo. Yo, this shit is crazy. I only got like 2 or 3 more. Oh, only got like 2 or 3 more things to do on the TL. I just got a front passengers tie rod and rear sway bar links, and that's it. Paint my A-specs. That's it. I ain't got nothing else to do on this joint. Promise you, I'm done after that. Like I ain't. I'm happy where this car like came and where it's going. This is like damn. This probably gonna be the TL final form though, for real, cause like I did like a lot of shit on my other cars, yo, like my TSX and all that. Like I've been through oil pans. Like, I don't know. I ain't trying to do like the super low shit no more and all that. I'm trying to mature a little bit. You feel me? Plus, on top of that, dog, the content I got coming for y'all about to be for the V, bro. It's about to be wintertime, bro. We in the V-ski. We gonna be in the trails. We gonna be in the mud, snow, all that. We gonna have fun in that V, bro. Just cause the summer over don't mean car season over. You feel what I'm saying? Damn. Yo. Bro, forehead big as shit, bro. Yo, locks like saved my life, bro. God damn. Ooh. But yeah, bro, we gonna be in the V-ski come wintertime, kid. It's real right. We gonna be in the V-ski come Ooh, y'all hear that shit? Ooh. Damn, this nigga on 2 donuts and he flat. Damn. But this joint, it sound good though, man. Like I'm overall super happy with this shit. I went to a local shop in Philly. It's called Joel Muffler Zone. They gonna get you right, yo. I'm trying to tell you. I told them exactly what I wanted. They told me no, we gonna do this. I said, all right, bet. Like they didn't just take my money and say, all right, bet. This is what Pop wanted. No, like they actually good people over there. You feel me? So, see, look, man, V-ski. Come on, man. I ain't even introduced y'all to the new wheel yet. Yeah, I had the white TL, got rid of that John. Transmission started messing up. Boom. Got the V-ski now. Watch. That V tough, yo. That V tough. I promise you. I'm gonna introduce that John to the channel probably right before the TL meet. I'm gonna drop a video and I'm gonna show y'all about the V. So I'm gonna tap back in with y'all. I'm about to go get a PlayStation, man. I need to play some Gran Turismo. So I'm gonna tap in with y'all, you feel me? I'm about to enjoy this motherfucking TL. And y'all be breezy, you feel me? Ooh.